everyone, welcome back. Today we are mastering the art of asking polite questions in meetings so you can sound like a total pro without the stress. We're using our super effective double loop method. Here's how it works. First, I'll say a punchy phrase. Then my best friend here will repeat it slowly. After that, I'll say it again at normal speed, and then my friend will finish it off naturally. It's fun, it's fast, and it works. Before we start, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our fluency workouts. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Could I just jump in here?
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 Sorry, what was that last part?
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 May I ask a quick question?
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 Could you clarify that for me?
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 I am not sure I follow.
I am not sure I follow.
I am not sure I follow.
I'm not sure I follow.
Would you mind repeating that point?
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 Can we circle back to that?
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 Is there room for more ideas?
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 What do you think about this?
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 Does that make sense to everyone?
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 Let us touch base on this.
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 May I add something quickly?
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 What is the deadline for this?
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 Do we have a budget?
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 Could you give an example?
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 Are we on the same page?
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 Can I get your thoughts?
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 Is there anything else?
Is there anything else?
Is there anything else?
Is there anything else?
Who's taking the lead?
Who is taking the lead?
Who's taking the lead?
Who is taking the lead?
Could you speak up a bit?
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 What are our main goals?
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 How should we proceed?
How should we proceed?
How should we proceed?
How should we proceed?
Do you have a minute?
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 Is this the final version?
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 What is our next step?
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 Could we check the data?
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 You did it! That was an amazing session. Keep practicing these phrases and you'll be the star of your next meeting. See you in the next one.